Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. So if there's one company that is absolutely terrible at keeping things secret, it has to be Google. I mean, we get product unboxings and review videos from companies like Samsung and Apple after they have launched the product. But at Google, it's quite the opposite. It happens before the launch event for Pixel phones and in many instances months before the official event. And that's what's happening again. We have the unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro that shows the device in all of its glory, and the guy also turns it into the show how it looks from the front. It's uploaded by a retailer in Bangladesh named Gadgetful BD. The unboxing doesn't tell us much about the Pixel 7 Pro that we didn't already know, but it confirms that Google has toned down the curved display, which I'm sure Pixel fans would highly appreciate. But apart from that, it looks pretty much identical to its predecessor, including the size of the bezel. And I got to say, it looks much more premium from the back compared to the Pixel 6 Pro with that aluminum camera bar. The design of the box as well as the in-box content will remain the same, which means there's no charger brick inside. Moving on, both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will support a higher fidelity Bluetooth LE audio. This new codec brings improvements to the overall listening experience and sound quality. It will be able to compress audio more effectively, which means better long-distance audio. Also, it can send multiple audio streams to and from an audio source device like the Pixel 7 and the multiple audio sync devices like headphones. This means truly wireless earbuds, for example, can each connect to your phone instead of one earbud connecting and then relaying the information to the other. We have another update about the Google Tensor chipset. The Tensor 2 chip on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro is made by Samsung. Since Samsung has decided to ditch Exynos and go all in with the Snapdragon chips for their flagships, many people are wondering who's going to make the Tensor 3 chip. Well, Galaxy Club, which has a great track record, has discovered that it's going to be Samsung again. Google will launch the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro in the first week of October. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.